Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by turning Bluetooth on and opening Find My. This finds known AirTags. Walk around the car slowly, scanning with your iPhone close to panels and under trims because AirTags can be hidden in tight spots. Once done, if Find My shows an unknown accessory, tap it to play sound. That proves presence quickly. If no icon appears, make sure Bluetooth and location are active, then move closer to suspected hiding spots and repeat the scan. Continue by performing a targeted scan. Open Find My, go to Items, then scan for nearby items and hold your phone near doors, undercarriage, trunk, and wheel wells. This increases detection range. Next, use a Bluetooth scanning app to list nearby BLE devices. Unidentified devices with Apple We can indicate a tracker, so note MAC patterns. At the same time, inspect seams with a flashlight and gentle prying tool, because many trackers are magnetized or clipped into cavities. When you locate an AirTag, play its sound to confirm, then hold it near your iPhone. You'll get instructions to disable and see partial owner info. Follow those steps to remove tracking. Once disabled, remove the device physically and keep it as evidence if you suspect malicious use. If you can't pry it out, photograph its position, note timestamps, and call law enforcement. If scans initially failed, repeat the sweep at different times and places, since intermittent Bluetooth broadcasts can hide a tracker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.